Previously I was in sales, and just to get out of that to be my own boss, Revive was recommended through a friend, and just thought it was a great opportunity. The reason I picked a franchise regarding setting up rather than doing it just on myself, it was the backing and the support that head office supplied, and it just gave me a great background to learn from how to do it from them. I'd say you've got to be outgoing, you've got to be able to take the rough with the smooth, you've got to have a hands-on approach, you've got to be a team player, because obviously you are supporting other franchisees and new franchisees that come on board, so it's just a general all-round aspect of business. The reason I looked at smart repairs was the hands-on approach. That's where I feel I'm best with my technical skills, using your hands, and then obviously the idea of having your own business. The thing I like and enjoy about having your own business and being part of Revive is I feel as though it's part of a bigger team. Even though you run your own business in your own area, you are part of a national group which provide a great service to and technical excellence to dealerships and private customers.